Okay, so what I'm going to do today is show you how to access the school email if you are a pupil, and hopefully this is going to work nicely. So you go into here, the school website. You can go into Google and type in St Joseph's Horwich, and that comes up. This is the actual address there at the top, you can see that, and we're onto the school website. And scrolling down, these are the buttons that you click for each of your year groups, and you go on to click here to your student login email page. So we're going to log in as you, and Mr. Blake sent us a new email username, so I'm going to put that in, 16TTWO at, and everybody's surname is the same. So 16 is the year that I started, 2016. st-josephs.bolton.school.uk. Okay, and you'll find that most of you have got the year group, the year that you started, so whatever year you started at St Joseph's, plus your first initial and your surname. That should make up your username. And then I put in the password. Obviously I'm going to change that in a minute, but this is the password that I've been sent. And I sign in. And straight away, this is what I'm going to see, update your password. So I have to re-put in the one that I've been sent, 80394. And then I'm going to think, right, if I'm going to have to live with this password for a long time, think of a number that I'm going to find easy to remember. So I might choose something from my mobile number, 4 digits from a mobile that is easy to remember, and then something silly like a pet name. So my first teddy bear was a lamb, and there's some numbers from my phone number that I'm going to remember, and that's going to be really easy for me from now on to always remember that password. Maybe you want to write it down somewhere, and then you're in. Okay, and this is what you're going to see when you log in. There's some more information there if you need it, but these are, so Outlook is where you're going to get your emails. Okay, and that's what you'd click on there. Now you're going to start using your school emails. You will be sent information via school email. Okay, you might even go in there and find that you have things in your inbox as well. Okay, that welcome will give you a few bits of information if you've got time to read through. Click on inbox, maybe start sending a couple of emails to people that you know just to get used to it, but do remember that this is a public email account. It belongs to the local authority, and information in there is never fully private within the local authority. So do use it sensibly. Okay, so this grid, the app launcher, the grid, some people call it a waffle apparently, 9 dots. This is where you're going to find other things that you can use, and you now have access to Word, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, SharePoint, Sway, Teams, all sorts of apps here that you can start playing with. But another one that's going to be important to you moving forward is the Teams, and this is going to be a bit like having a class online, because all of your classes will be put onto Teams. Okay, and you log in using that. You'll be using the same account, same password, and hopefully you're going to find that really useful. So that's step 1. That should be plenty.